Good afternoon, everybody, and welcome back to RobMotive. I've got a mod today for the new Toyota Tacoma. Yeah, I recently traded out the 2025 TRD Off-Road for the 2025 TRD Sport. And if you've seen some of my previous videos, then you know I like to change out the shift knobs, right? Well, I have one from the other truck, but the problem is the color of it, right? It's orange, which went okay with the last truck. I mean, it was kind of orange. It was the Terra color. But this truck is Blue Crush. I don't want orange. So, one of the things I liked about this shift knob is you can actually change out the colors on it, right? So, I ordered a new color for it, something which hopefully will match up pretty well. Let's take a look. It's in this bag. Kind of an unbagging here, if you will. Let's see what they sent us. So they sent us a little Allen key, because you have to use that to remove the old one. And then, of course, well, a sticker. And here are the new covers, if you will, or side pieces for that shift knob. So we're going to take the old ones off, and hopefully it's pretty seamless. And then we're going to install it inside the truck. Now, they do call this, I'm not sure actually if they do or not, Blue Crush. These seem to be metal, by the way. But let's see how they match up to the new truck. I mean, they're not going to be exact, and obviously it is a brighter, more vibrant shade of blue. But nonetheless, it is blue, and that's what I wanted. So, let's grab this, and we'll see how easy it is to actually replace these. I'm hoping it's pretty easy. Let's see. Let's get you guys up here where you can see. Should be able to simply remove the old ones to make sure. I don't think it matters which one you use. I think they're universal. But let's go ahead, take off the Allen key, or the screw, I should say. And I want to do this carefully because I don't want to damage the screws. So, alright. Nor do I want to lose the screws. I'll probably put just a touch of Loctite on these screws, just to make sure they don't back out. But you get the idea. I'll go ahead and take the others off, and then we'll grab some Loctite. To take this out, pretty simple. Once it's unscrewed, it simply pulls straight out. Very easy, which is the way it should be. We'll take the new one, and you want to make sure you get the side that has like the finished side for this. Be ashamed to put it on upside down, right? Because I think it would fit. But anyway, go ahead and stick that in. I mentioned the Loctite. I have some left over from a previous job, so we'll just use that. And I'm just going to put the tiniest amount on here. I don't want a ton. So, just a little to lock it in. Nor do I really want to get this stuff all over the new covers. So, trying to be very careful with it. And that's it. So I'm going to go ahead and screw this in, hopefully. Just snug it. I wouldn't try to kill it. There's no need to do that. I'll finish this up. We'll do the other side, and then I'll show you what it looks like, and we'll put it in the truck. All right, we're out here in the truck. See if I can put a little light on that for you. There, I think that's pretty good. Supposedly, if I remember, and I have done this before, but it's been a little while, you're supposed to be able to push down on the shift boot, and it will release. Well, let's find out. And it did, and that was very simple. And then, over here on the driver's side, there's some kind of a collar. You're supposed to be able to push. And I don't remember, of course, where that is, so gotta get down here a little bit and take a look and see. I think it's right here. I think there's a release I believe, right here. Let's find out. I could be wrong. All right, we got it off, and what it's talking about, there is right here, if you can see this shiny piece of metal here, that needs to push to the left, and there's a slot for it. Once you do that, it would just simply pull straight off. It's pretty easy, really. Now it's time to put on our aftermarket version, and it's going to go on like this with the button obviously in the front, and there's two set screws. I should show you that on the back. The top one is to tighten the new knob on the rod, and the bottom one is to go up against the shift boot down here to hold it up. So we're going to want to tighten the top one first once we have it set. Go ahead and get that on, and then you're supposed to push it down while you tighten that top screw. You want to make sure you tighten firmly because it's going to hold the knob on, and it really never should come off, honestly. But nonetheless, you want to make sure you tighten that one down pretty well. And then the bottom one, once you pull that shift boot up, you want to just kind of snug it, because you don't want to break the plastic collar that you're screwing against. So just a little word of caution, I guess, there when you're doing that. Let me go ahead, tighten the rest of it down. And by the way, you want to pull this shift collar up while you're tightening that screw. All right, we've got it on. There you can see that nice blue. I love that. A word of caution when you're tightening that bottom part, should you go with one like this or any other or any at all, just snug it very slightly, because that piece of plastic that it's grabbing against is very thin. I went too far a couple times, and then the boot here just comes down. It doesn't fall down. I mean, you probably could do it without even messing with the boot because it stays up there, but I would guess over time it would probably droop. But anyway, that's what it looks like. Here is the original for comparison's sake. It's a bit smaller, a bit narrower, and probably about the same height, but it gives us more room on each side, which really is a side benefit. Now, I will caution you that it is black, it is summer, and it does get hot. There's no disputing that. It does get hot. So if that bothers you, then maybe this isn't something you should go with. And I wouldn't go with any metal shifter, but I prefer metal because it's metal, right? Anyway, that's it. That's the mod. Just kind of updating the color on the shift knob to match the truck. I think it's a pretty cool little mod. It's pretty simple to do. Leave a comment. Let me know what you think. Thanks for watching. Stay safe out there. Bye.